One of the underdogs among the ASUSTOR apps is ASUSTOR Live. The main feature of this app is to serve as a restreaming service for your own stream. Basically, this means your live stream goes into your NAS and is then sent to multiple destinations simultaneously. However, the app and your NAS are not able to input video. It is not possible to feed an analog or digital video signal into your NAS and stream it from there. You always need encoding software like OBS, for example. First, you need to download the ASUSTOR Live app from App Central and register there. Afterwards, add your destination platforms like YouTube or Twitch using their respective stream keys. After that, it's recommended to set the backup interval to none and enable the stream key further down. For these settings to be accepted, click Apply at the bottom and restart the app in App Central. When adding or removing destinations, as well as enabling and disabling individual streams, you'll need to restart the app, so we recommend always doing this before going live. Now, after restarting, you will find your RTMP address and stream key in ASUSTOR Live. With these, you can stream directly to your NAS using your encoder. When going live, you'll stream simultaneously to your configured destinations and record the footage directly to your NAS. Additionally, Docker apps like Restreamer can provide the ability to integrate additional signals, such as cameras, and send them to multiple destinations simultaneously. When live streaming, don't just pick one platform. Maximize your reach and profits by using ASUSTOR Live to stream to all of them. Thank you for watching! To make a suggestion, feel free to leave a comment below and subscribe for more content.